Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a selenite gray. Under the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has the illuminated star, so at night that lights up. 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in excellent condition. A brushed aluminum running board. Black MB text interior, sunroof. Coming around back here, we've got a trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, fresh clean set of floor mats, privacy cover, fold down rear seats. This one is equipped with the Premium 1 package, which comes with keyless go, blind spot assist, lane tracking, an anthracite poplar trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. This one also comes with smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Let's go ahead and start the car up. We've got navigation, rear backup camera, our hard keys right here, heated seats, dual climate controls, our command center, dynamic select settings. This vehicle only has 45,778 miles on it. If you'd like to view more photos, check out feldmanimports.com.